there is some urgent financial transaction money is required. I met one person. Okay. I met one person. He gave 10 lakhs. How much money? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs money. Then what happened is, okay. So 1 year or 13 months, around 14 months got completed. He asked, sir, there is some money is required. Like, I gave the money with interest, completed. Like, then after a few days, sir, if you don't mind, I require some 25 lakhs. Can you please help? Like, yeah, why not? Come, I will give 25 lakhs. Okay, like, and after 1 year, everything with interest I provided. So, Durga, if you require any money, please let us know. Observe. Believe me, today, I took 2 crores money from that person. 2 crores money from that person. Okay. So, means, who is the gainer here? The person who is going to promise, who is going to keep his words, that person is always going to get more benefit.
Yes, sir.
I remember, Mayur, only one transaction. That is
Yes.
the first transaction. That is the last transaction with that person. Getting
Yes.
right?
Yes, I
Okay.
got it.
But you are doing a small mistake. 1 or 2 persons, they did like this. Because of that day onwards, I stopped giving the money is the wrong approach. Help the
Okay.
people. Help the
Yes.
people in your safe limit. Okay. There is one word, safe limit.
Yes, sir.
So, just to lighting the other house lamp, don't burn your house. That point is very important.
Got
Okay.
it.
So,
Yes, sir.
with the safe limit, compulsory you report help. Because we are human beings, humanity, these kind of things must be required. 1% did the mistake. Don't see everyone in the same style. Okay. There are excellent people also will be there. You may miss them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If any other person is coming, yes, happily you can. This person also come back. Okay. Then obviously, I'm sure you are going to manage the things properly. Array, if I have the money, last time I gave, but this time not having the money, don't mind. Next time I will look.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Have
sir.
you observed, right? Next time I will look. You never go to question also. Last time you didn't give the money, how I can give the money like that? Not required to talk. Array, definitely I will help next time. But currently I'm also facing the same problem. Just simply check other alternative. Like, because you know his attitude, you know his way. Small importance what you are giving. You are going to get like anything, man. So show interest on opposite people. Loves the people. Cares. You require to take care about the people. Then the total world is always with you. Wherever you go, a grand welcome by default will be there.